Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp call not showing on screen in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having this type of problem that when you receive any video or audio call and facing the issue that notifications not showing on screen. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your WhatsApp, and guys you need to open your settings here. And guys, after this you need to click on notifications tab, and guys you need to reset your notifications from here, as you can see. And guys, the second step is you need to open your settings, and guys scroll it down, and guys here you need to find WhatsApp, and guys after this you need to click on notifications tab. And guys, make sure that it is turned on. So guys, if off, then you need to make it on from here. And guys, make sure that all of three banners are selected, as you can see. If lock screen, notification center, and banners, you need to check all of these. And guys, you need to click on sound option turn on. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.